Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 9th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, Jigsaw Sudoku and a binary. And it's binary time now, yes. Binary number 9409. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones, Dano, double ones, Dano, double ones, Dano, double O's, here one, there one, double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes a no. Double ones, Dano. Between the O's comes a 1. Between the ones comes a no. Double O's. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. And I know between the 1 and the O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Then I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes a no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. And now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 3 minutes exactly. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.